Okay, we've just been to Leopold's Cafe in Mumbai, which is famous for a number of reasons. It was one of the places in 2008 where the terrorist attack happened, killing 11 people, and there's still bullet holes in the windows. But I forgot my camera, so we're going to go and have a look at it.
Hello. Hello.
So yeah, this is Leopold's. And just going to show you the bullet holes. They do lovely cheesecakes. We had some red velvet cake. Got an array of stuff. Oh, so yeah. So those are the bullet holes suffered here. It's a very popular venue. It was popular before. But yeah, these terrorist attacks started here, and they went to the Taj Mahal Palace up there and other places. But yeah, that's Leopold's. Louis thinks I can't get a pair of trousers for 200 rupees. I'm going to prove him wrong. Okay, let's see who we can get. Oh, busy times, busy Sunday. Oh, sorry, sir. When? Coffee shop, Leopold's. I met you already.
Yes,
we met the other day.
that's right.
How are you?
Fine.
My friends back home, huh? I'm looking for some flowing pants, flowing trousers.
Here, tailor shop. You can see how many things you want. Just look. 9:30.
Hello.
Here, tailor shop.
I might come back. I'll look down here.
No, I know you come back. I show you this my shop.
Oh, you're back. Yeah. Mucho na chaya, yeah.
You see me?
Why is it so busy at this time? Where's this shop?
Manca kulfi ice cream, kulfi wale.
Nice cream. Hello, my friend. How are you? This is my friends back home. आपका नाम क्या?
Mohammed Tabrez Ansari.
Say again.
Tabrez Ansari.
Tabrez Ansari. Nice to meet you. I'm looking for some of these types. A good material.
Sir, yeah, you want this one?
No, I'm looking for these.
You want to more the soft material seat.
Are they good?
UC material.
I don't really know my materials though, so I'm trusting you.
Brand articles.
stretch.
quality. Very good
Quality.
quality, sir.
Medium.
I have all size. Medium, large, XL, double XL, all size.
Do I look that fat?
For you, XL, sir.
XL?
XL is perfect for you.
Am I that big? I can.
I give you same color XL size, but I see you only size for you. Okay.
I don't know if I like the stripy ones. I'm liking these ones.
Okay.
Are they too short? These are small.
I give you bigger size. Okay?
Are they going to be too tight on me?
I give you bigger size for you.
Bigger size, yeah.
See so many colors, different colors.
I know, I see. White, beige. I'm looking for this colour. Sand colour. Wonder how much it's going to be. Those are a bit of you, aren't they? A bit of white.
We know why you say it, man.
Oh, here we go. Shut up.
Comes out.
You want only this color?
Yes, beige. Is that beige?
I bring it this color. Wait, only 1 minute, okay?
Only one size.
I give you a bigger
कितना पैसा?
ये 850 का सर।
850 बहुत महंगा है।
महंगा किधर, हम आपको ज़्यादा नहीं बोला, ये अच्छा वाला है, ज़्यादा नहीं। उससे भी अच्छा वाला लेगा तो ये सब आएगा, देखो।
850. I don't have 850.
Okay, give me 800, okay?
I got 800. I don't have 800.
800 good price, sir.
I have 400.
बड़ा सही।
Already back out.
कौन सा? ये 750।
Look, I'll think.
ये 600 लगा देगा, 600। लगा देगा।
I mean, to be fair, the guy down there is a guy.
Okay, sir. You want this one? Huh?
He's literally there.
I'll look down there and then I'll come back maybe. Yeah.
I give you 700 for you. Okay?
700. I'll see what I can get down there and I'll come back. Thanks, my friend.
You want Ganesh Shiva shop?
No, I haven't got room for that. I haven't got room. What's up? Okay.
Same guy or not? I don't know.
700.
Not
Not-
bad.
No, I'll check down there. Oh yeah. Hello. Good acha material.
It's good material.
Good material. What about these ones? These beige.
This color?
Yes.
Which one size?
What do you think? I'm quite chubby. What? From down there?
No, from early.
I don't know.
This color, no?
No, this colour.
This color?
Or this colour.
Okay.
Oh, you looking for jeans? Oh, very stretchy, yeah?
It's medium size good.
Those the same colour as the ones down there?
No, I don't think so.
No. Have you got this colour? Yes.
This color, no?
This colour, no. I want whiter. Creamy.
We're going to have the same colour.
You and me. Oh, why not? Where's going to wear the same colour?
Oh, this is the one that I picked up.
That was it. Well, I'm going to probably buy it first. Yeah, that's more me. Do I look good?
No.
Medium. So what are they two? Kitna paisa?
1,200.
Wow, बहुत महंगा, बहुत महंगा,
ये just है.
बहुत महंगा. नया.
तो कितना में चाहिए?
I got 600, huh?
600 कम हो जाएगा.
Too expensive for me, huh?
Okay, 1100.
1100 now, yeah. I'm okay. I've got better off than
Okay,
that.
how much? Best price?
I've got 600, huh? Sorry, my friend.
Okay,
800 now.
it's good code.
Yeah, I'm okay, thank you.
Okay, 700.
No, I'm okay. I've got 700 down there.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, I should go down. Where do you want to go? Further on?
No, we gotta go back to that. I can't go to keep.
Alright, let's go back to our friend. $600. Maybe I'll come back. 1 sec, I'll come back. Huh?
Hello.
Hello, I'm back. आपका नाम क्या?
Alauddin.
Abdul
Alauddin.
Alauddin.
Yes, sir.
मेरा नाम Joe. Yes. Was it 500 or 600? Huh?
700.
700. Huh? I got 600 down there.
How many you need, one?
One pair. But I like these ones.
Oh, what's your size?
I don't know. What do you think? Like,
Maybe 32.
think I'm quite fat, a bit belly.
No, more than 33, 34.
33, 34.
That's good.
I put on weight since I've been in India. Too many curries, huh?
I have a Indian measurement here.
Indian measurement. Wrap me up.
So, like 35, 34.
34, 35. Spill over a bit, but...
That's free size, huh?
Hmm?
It's this free size. Oh, 34 is here. Okay?
34, okay, that's fine. And I can always do tighter.
No problem.
600, huh?
Make it 7 now.
7. My friend down there. Ah, you got 600 down there. So I go back to him and I get 600. 600? Take it. Then you're bye. Feeling here. See you later. Okay, let's go. Yeah, not quite the 200 I was looking for.
One last mission today.
What's
I
that?
just bought your exact trousers, by the way.
No, I went for different ones in the end.
Yeah, no, I know. I literally walked back there and he just handed me them.
What?
I need a shirt.
Need a shirt.
What's the colour of that? I reckon a black shirt.
Okay, that's it all. That's all for now. Goodbye.